So the last thing we're going to do in 11.2 is use a confidence interval to basically find if there is a mean difference for the matched pairs. Remember, this is for a difference. This will always be a two-tail in this instance. And we're going to use a confidence interval estimate for the population mean difference. So we're going to use a T interval, which is number 8 under the tests. And we're going to do an example of that. In an experiment conducted online at the University of Mississippi, participants are asked to react to a stimulus. In one experiment, the participant must press a key upon seeing a blue screen. Their reaction time is measured in seconds, and the same person is asked to press a key upon seeing a red screen, again with reaction time measured. The results for 6 randomly sampled participants are as follows. Construct a 95% confidence interval about the population mean difference in response time. Is there a significant difference in the response times? And of course, they're talking about response times to the blue versus the red. So L1 is the response times to the blue screen, and L2 is the response times to the red screen. So L3 will be L1 minus L2, and we'll put those in the calculator. So we've got L1, it's going to be 0.582, 0.481, 0.841, 0.267, 0.685, 0.450, and then we have 0.408, 0.407, 0.512, 0.402, 0.456, 0.533. And we want L3 to be the difference, so we go over here, and again, you go up and highlight the title, choose L1 from the list, minus second L2, enter, and voila, it gives us all of those, and we don't have to do any of that by hand. So there is the list we're going to use. This is a T interval, so we quit, stat, test, T interval is number 8. The input is data again. The list is list 3, and we're doing a 95% confidence interval. So we have negative 0.092 and positive 0.28802, which we round off to 0.288. But notice this is a negative and this is a positive. So since 0 is in that interval, we conclude that there is not a significant difference in reaction time between the blue and the red screens, because it could be 0. At a 95% confidence, it's possible that it's 0. So that would mean there was no difference.